riders on the storm. Into this house we're born, into this world we're thrown, like a dog without a bone, an actor out alone, riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road, his brain is squirming like a toad. Take a long holiday, let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road, yeah.
Flush ain't no do, and you don't stop. Sure shot, go out to the parking lot and get in your car and drive real far and drive all night. And then you see a light and it comes right down and lands on the ground and out comes a man from Mars. And you try to run, but you got a gun and he shoots you dead and he eats your head. And then you're the man from Mars. You go out at night, you eat cars, you eat Cadillacs, Mercuries and Subaru, and you don't stop. You keep on eating cars. Then when there's no more cars, you go out at night and eat up bars where the people meet. Face to face, cheek to cheek, one to one, man to man, there's toe to toe. Don't move too slow, cause the man from Mars is through with cars. He's eating bars, yeah, wall to wall, door to door, hall to hall. He's gonna eat them all. Rap, sure, be sure. Take a tour through the soul of a strange rain. Pain train, you'll be singing in the rain. Say, don't stop to punk rock. Punk rock.
Girl, you gotta love your man. Girl, you gotta love your man. Take him by the hand, make him understand. The world on you depends, our life will never end. Gotta love your man, yeah.
Now you see what you wanna be. Just have your party on TV, cause the man from Mars won't beat up bars where the TV's on. Now he's gone back up to space, where he would have a house with a huge race. And you hip hop, and you don't stop, just blast off, sure shot. Cause the man from Mars stopped eating cars and eating bars, and now he only eats guitars.
Now, is that any way to behave at a rock and roll concert?